In this video, I'm going to answer the question, should your dropshipping business be a broad store or a niche store? Now don't forget to hit the subscribe and notify button so that you'll be the first to know when we release weekly dropshipping goodness. So a lot of people wonder when they are first starting out with dropshipping whether their store should be a broad general type store or a niche store. Now let's put a bit of definition around these terms. A broad store means a store that sells a whole range of different types of products and might try to appeal to a range of different customers. While a niche store, on the other hand, has a more narrow focus that is targeted towards a single customer avatar and is selling products that serve that single customer avatar's interests or pain points. So which type of store is better for high ticket dropshipping? The answer is the niche store. So what's the difference? Well, the advantage of a broad store is that you potentially have a lot of irons in the fire, a lot of products and a lot of opportunities to find products that sell well, in theory. But that's about where the potential advantages end. The reality is that it's very hard to market to multiple different customer profiles at the same time. It makes your marketing much more complex and less effective. There is also significantly more work involved in managing potentially thousands of products on your websites. The key with a niche site is to build your site and your product around the interests of a single type of customer. That makes your business and your marketing significantly easier to manage, and at the same time, it's much more likely that you will make sales for that target customer because you are the business that serves them in the most direct way. Incidentally, this also makes your business much more resistant to competition from larger but more broader sites in the eyes of your target customers. So an example of this might be selling snowboarding products to people who love to snowboard. Now I know some people might say, well, what about Amazon? They're a really broad site and they're the biggest e-commerce site in history. Well, yes, that's very true, but that doesn't mean that that approach applies to you. You aren't Amazon. You're not going to out Amazon, and frankly, neither is anyone else. To get started and to get traction, you need to take a much simpler approach. Remember, Amazon didn't start out selling everything. They started selling books to people who like to read. So if you're starting your first high ticket dropshipping business, take the niche route and target your focus towards a single customer avatar. And don't forget to check out our video on how to do niche selection to find the right niche for your high ticket dropshipping business.